Hello, I'm Robin from Provider. Today I have an exciting new product to talk to you about, the Aire 7 full replacement mattress system.
This is a comprehensive system that includes an internal 2-inch foam base, so you can put this straight onto the bed without the need for an additional underlay. Other suppliers may present a 5-inch mattress as a complete mattress system, but this is not the case, and they will most likely not provide sufficient pressure care. So now down to the detail. This has a 17 replaceable air cell with a 1 in 2 cell cycle, allowing sufficient pressure care for your very high risk and vulnerable patients. With its 2-inch foam base combined with 5-inch air cells, it creates an in-use height of 7 inches. This cover is a two-way stretch, waterproof cover that is vapor permeable, offering comfort and breathability. This mattress can be used for patients up to 180 kilograms in weight, which is usually adequate for the majority of users. Alongside the mattress is the pump. With its modern, intuitive design and LCD screen, it's easy for you to operate. It has an intelligent pressure sensing for optimum interface pressure. Once the preset internal pressure is reached, it will automatically switch off. And it's optimized for safety too. It has panel lock to ensure only those authorized can alter the settings. If your mattress sustains low pressure or there is a power failure, it will sound an alarm alerting you to the fault. It has a CPR valve, allowing you to quickly deflate the mattress if need be. So in any circumstance, your high-risk residents will be kept safe and sound. When operating, it's almost silent, so your residents will not be disturbed while it is running. We are offering you a free demo session whenever suits you. If this has caught your attention, or you have any questions at all, please give me a ring or send in an email and we'll be right with you.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.